I won't regret it. I will replay it because I will never restate it. I've been cast out from social groups by who I am and how I act. Now I'll tell you why I'm like this and take you back to 2002, when I was a little younger than 10. Daddy never liked me. It was a time of divorce that seemed more like a war. My sister was a princess and I was just treated bad. The belt left bruises on me, but it left much more pain than that. My mom seemed to slip each time, worried for her baby. Don't worry, Mom. You little kids are fighters, and we'll stand strong. My childhood was thrown out the window. Never knew I would make it to today if my father had seen me again. When the decision was made by the judge, I was left out of the room, wondering if I would live to the next day. 9 years from then, I'm here telling you what happened. I may be odd or weird, but I'm alive to say that my dad is history. Having him 6 feet under the ground makes me glad. It may sound cold, but until you went through what fear I did, you'll never understand. I'm Mama's little fighter, and I will stay that way until these mental scars can fade. So when you see me standing cold and frozen, I'm just remembering that everything bad is already over. Though if I can't remember that, I have my only few friends that accept me to remind me that my bad childhood came to an end, like Pac-Man saying game over.